it's already 10:38 and I am down with my hill repeats here at Pugaro in Manawag, a hilly part of Manawag. So I did roughly 50k. So gotta get home, cook food, rest, recover, work. Then tomorrow will be a very short recovery ride, and Saturday will be another recovery long ride, or short tempo, I guess, depends. Yeah, bye.